Hello children, welcome to Ghar School. I am your Harian sir and today I am going to teach you watermelon. Do you like watermelon children? Yes, I know you like watermelon. That's why we are going to make watermelon today. Are you ready? Excited children? Yes. Take out your drawing copy and pencil eraser. We are going to make the watermelon today. Okay? I will show you step by step how to make. Okay children, ready? Yes, let's start. First we are going to make a semicircle. Okay children? Here we are going to make a semicircle. Ready? Yes. So first, one slipping line here. For a semicircle, first one slipping line. Make the line without scale children. It's very easy. And do not make dark, okay? You can make, I know. So then this line we are going to make. This curved line we are going to draw here. Slowly we are going to make the curved line. Done. Slowly you are going to make the curved line. Done. Yes. Complete children? Done. Yes. So next this line we are going to make. Okay. One more curved line here. We are going to make. So two curved line, one slipping line. Okay. Done children? Yes. So next we are going to make a 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This here we are going to make. See children? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Done. Next, again we will draw the seeds here. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more seeds we will draw here. Yes, done. So our watermelon is ready children. Okay, now we are going to start the color. I will show you the color in my drawing copy. Are you ready children? Use plastic crayons children. Plastic crayons is very good color, so you can use plastic crayons. I will show you the coloring in my drawing copy. Are you ready? Yes, so let's start the coloring children. Okay, plastic crayons we are going to use. So which color we are going to use? This red color we are going to use. Okay, this red color we are going to use from one side. First we will use the red color for the line. Okay, here for the line we are going to use slowly. Okay, and this line also we are going to use the red color here. Okay, so now we will start the red color from one side slowly. See children, like this from one side we are going to start. Slowly we are going to start the red color. We should not leave white space. Okay, white portion nahi rehna chahiye children. Okay, from one side slowly. From one side slowly we are going to do the red color. See, like this from one side we are going. Okay, we should not leave white space. From one side we are going to do step by step. Okay, step by step we will go. See, like this we are going. Okay. So here we are going to use the red color slowly from one side. Yes, so this red color we are going to start from one side slowly and see children, like this you need to do slowly from one side and do not leave white space. Now our red color is almost finished. So red color completed. Okay, so now we are going to use the black color. Now this is the black color we are going to use here for the seeds. We are going to use for the seeds here. We are going to use the black color. So done. Now black color is done. So now we are going to use the green color. So this line I am using the dark green color here. Slowly from one side. Done. So now we are using light green color. So here I am using the light green color from one side. From this side we are going to use the light green color. Okay, but we should not leave white space. Now from here we will start. I am not changing the direction. Done. Finished. So our green color is finished. Our watermelon is ready. Okay, now we can have the watermelon. Our watermelon is ready. Done. Okay children, so like this you are going to practice the coloring slowly from one side. Okay children, bye bye.